So guys, after that snow experience, we will go in the Asia Mall. So Kitty Pai want to shop. Kasi daw, yung sapatos niya, he's not very comfortable for his shoes. So magsa-shopping daw siya ng sapatos guys para bukas ng ano namin. Actually, marami pa kaming araw dito. So this is only our first day of tour. Kahapon kasi kami dumating guys, pagod kami, kaya nag-stay pa kami sa hotel at natulog. So ngayon ang ano talaga namin, first day of tour. So marami pa kaming ano, pagdaanan dito. Kaya kailangan daw niya magbili ng sapatos dahil hindi daw siya comfortable sa Vans niya. Para lang daw yun sa maniki. So guys, ang ganda ng city nila. Ang ganda ng city nila guys. Actually, it's only a small population here. It's not totally developed, yeah. But I like their living. Since yeah, this is the park. So it's a lot of park here. And the good thing guys, their park don't have any entrance. Unlike that we visited different places that all have entrance. There now also we go there, we only waste of coffee and it's too much cheap. Yeah, ang sarap pa naman. Ano talaga dito, pang sulit ang ano nyo, travel nyo. Kasi makasave kayo sa pagkain. Masarap ang mga pagkain nila at saka mura pa. Yun, very very good. See? So papunta na kami ngayon guys. Actually may malaking mall doon. Nakita namin guys, malaki din yung Asia Mall. Unlike sa yung mga ibang napasyalan namin. But let's check it out inside, okay? So see you there. How big is this inside? Maybe only outside is big. Yeah, maybe swimming pool. Only. So guys, we are here na in the mall. How big it is the mall? Next day, sitting outside the flat, no? But before that one, guys. Ang ganda guys, oh. Maraming ano, pwede kang magpapag. Yeah, this is nice, huh? Guys, look at their billboard of the mall. Nice. Asia Mall. Welcome here in Asia Mall. Oh my god. Yeah. See guys, their mall. Ang ganda. Oh my god. Same Korea, Kitty Pai, no? Same Korea. The design, Kitty Pai. Wow, the buckle is not nice. They're more Kitty Pai. That's nice, the design of the mall. Guys, ang ganda ng mall nila. Grabe, ang ganda ng mga benta. Super, I like it. So this is the next. You know, next they have also in Dubai. Next they have also in Dubai. We go up. The food court is in the up. Here pa, bibi. Ay, oo. See, they have KFC. She don't like the KFC. Guys, ang ganda ng mga binta nila dito. Oh my God. Ang laki na nang naubos ko. Huh? Wow. But you can bring candles na po. You can bring that one. It's okay na. Guys, ito ang wala sa Dubai. Flavored water. Yeah. Ito ang wala talaga sa Dubai na maibili namin. Lahat marami. May orange, may apple, may grape. See, here in the cinema section, guys. Manonood daw kami ng... What's that? Broadway. Yeah, Broadway. Yeah, Broadway Cinema. So, manonood daw kami ni Kitty Pai. That's Panda. You have movie here. What?
Kung Fu Panda 4.
Kung Fu Panda 4. Yan ang panoorin namin. Dito kami sa mall. Malapit lang to sa hotel na inanuhan namin, guys.
Before two school boys.
Yes.
From school, they watch a movie.
Yeah, we are like that. Before we are cutting the school, remember Lila Kwacha vlog, we will go in the Ormoc. We ride motorcycle. Yeah, full. Then after we watch cinema in Ormoc, we're still wearing uniform. Seriously. Then after in the mall, we're buying waki dress. Then Mama don't know that I'm already there in cinema. So guys, we are here in the El Siwa Kiki. Only kids section. Yeah. Grabe yung mga damit nila dito, guys. Grabe ang mahal. Yes. But the other things is too much cheap. I also feel shocked. Like jewelry, other thing like sunglasses, like this. But the Dress Avenue brand is too much costly. The Lacoste. Huh? Yeah, they have too much brands here. They have Lacoste, Waikiki, United Colors of Benetton. I like their mall actually. It's so clean. But I can shopping address na. I can't afford it. I can't afford it, guys. It's too much costly. Si Kitty Pie, they have her Hermes. Her Kitty Pie come here. Last one. So that's all for today, guys, for our mall time. So sad, hindi ako nakabili ng dress. Ganda ng mall nila. Very clean. Sakit na kasi yung paa namin. Yeah, we can sit here. Maybe you can smoke also here. Fresh Berry Coffee Bar. The coffee bar na your favorite. Hello, Asia Mall. This is the biggest mall, guys, here in Bishkek.
You don't know actually, okay? I think the Doroda Plaza is bigger.
Yes.
Doroda name is...
So this is the beauty, guys, of the night. So, as usual, magsha-shopping na naman sa Dayan Studio dito. So this is the food court, guys. The playing area.
I needed lip balm.